Alright, so this is out my front window. Some idiot decided to drive in this terrible blizzard we have going on right now with probably a couple of feet of snow on the ground. And they're now shoveling around the tires.
The kids come in here, I want them to look at these images and say, I can do that. I want
I
to do
guess they're
this.
from here
I
and
want to
think
go there. I want to do that.
they're
Listen to
supposed
Stanford.
to drive around here like this. Again, I'm inside my apartment looking out the window at these idiots.
There's about, what, 2 feet of snow on the ground?
As quick as they shovel out from around where they need to get unstuck, hear the engine roar, it fills back in with snow. What a sight. Welcome to New York, Shannon.
Look at There they go.
Yeah, they
No,
still got the rear tires. They've been working on the front.
yeah, but as soon as they get it backed up, they can't. Now he's gonna try going forward. Watch.
I wish I had flash on here.
Oh, no.
I can't
There he
believe
goes.
this.
There he goes. There
Well,
he
he's just
goes.
gonna get stuck again.
Oh, I know.
He has
See?
nowhere to go. What is he gonna shovel all the way down the street just to make a path?
There he goes. Look at
Now let's
snowbank.
see if he hits something.
No, he's stuck.
Stuck from one spot to the other.
Oh, there he goes.
Look how deep the tires are in the snow. They're getting off of camera. They're booking
Look
it.
now. Look at.
Can you see it over there? Because they were booking like they see me video. They wanted to get out of my way. I think they saw
There
me.
they're going.